Welcome to Module 2. In the last module, you learned what a keyword is, how to do keyword research, and you decided on keywords you're going to optimize for search. In this module, you'll learn how to optimize your Shopify store for search. If you think back to the cake metaphor, this is the second layer. By the end of this module, you'll understand the basics of on-site SEO and have integrated your keywords into your Shopify store. This step is crucial to helping your website get discovered in Google. So let's get started with the basics. What is on-site SEO? On-site SEO is the work you do to optimize your own website for search. A big part of this is tailoring each page on your website to the keyword you want it to rank for. I'm going to show you how to optimize individual pages on your website for different keywords. But before we do that, I also want to tell you about some other important parts of on-site SEO. There are a few things you should do to help your entire website rank better in search results, regardless of which keywords you're targeting. Number 1, make sure your website loads well on all devices. Not only do people browse the web from mobile devices like phones and tablets, they go shopping on those devices as well. Shopify themes are responsive by default. This means as your store is loading, it responds to the device size and adjusts the layout accordingly. I just wanted you to keep this in mind in case you aren't using Shopify yet or haven't tested out your customers' browsing experience on different devices. Remember that Google only wants to show search results that searchers will be happy with. A good user experience is part of that. Number 2, make sure your site doesn't load too slowly. This is another part of providing a good user experience. You can use Google's Page Speed Insights tool to see how quickly your website loads. It will also tell you if there are things you can do to improve your site speed. One of those things is to make sure you have a good hosting package that can keep up with your website traffic as you grow. If you have a Shopify store, you don't need to worry about this because Shopify will adapt to your website traffic as you grow. Number 3. Make sure you create internal links to other parts of your website. The more you can link your website pages to each other, the easier it is for Google to find all of the pages on your website. Make sure your internal links are relevant. For example, link to the product page when you mention one of your products in a blog post. This also helps create a better user experience for your customers too. Internal linking also helps with the third layer of the cake, off-site SEO, which we'll talk about in Module 3. Overall, on-site SEO applies to all the pages on your website, including product pages, collections pages, blog posts, and even your homepage. Now let's head to the next lesson to learn how to optimize your Shopify store with the keywords you found. After that, I'll show you an example using my store.